When sparks fly, unraveling idioms in English. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating idiom to unpack. Sparks fly. Often heard in movies, songs, and everyday conversations, this phrase captures the imagination and paints a vivid picture. But what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your English conversations? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of English idioms, where sparks will definitely fly. First things first, let's break down the phrase. When we think of sparks, we imagine small flashes of fire or light, especially when two objects strike together. So, metaphorically, when we say, sparks fly, we're describing a situation where there is a sudden outburst of emotion or energy, just like the sudden burst of a spark. This can happen in two common contexts. 1. Conflict. When people argue and emotions run high, we might say, during the debate, sparks were flying. 2. Romance. When there's a strong, instant connection or chemistry between two people, it's often said, when they met, sparks flew. In both cases, the phrase highlights intensity and an undeniable presence of strong feelings or reactions. Now, let's see how to use sparks fly in different contexts. We'll look at conflict first. Conflict. Imagine two politicians in a heated debate. Their disagreement is passionate and intense, making it a perfect scenario for sparks to fly. Here's how you could use it. The negotiation was so tense that sparks started to fly within minutes. Now, on to romance. Romance. Picture a romantic comedy where the main characters meet for the first time. There's an immediate attraction that's almost electric. That's the right moment to say, there were definite sparks flying between the two of them. To help you use this idiom correctly, remember these tips. Use it to describe intense situations full of emotion or energy. It's often used retrospectively, like looking back on a moment when the emotion was high. You can pair it with words like immediately or suddenly to emphasize the suddenness of the situation. As soon as they started talking about politics, sparks immediately began to fly. And there you have it. You're now ready to add the idiom, sparks fly, to your English vocabulary. Use it to describe intense arguments or magnetic attractions in your stories and conversations. We hope this video has ignited your passion for learning more idioms and expressions. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using them as naturally as a native speaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. Happy learning, and may sparks fly in your English language adventures!